How to delete Instagram chats from both sides. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Instagram application first and get logged into your Instagram account. Let's move over to our chat section. You will see a messenger icon. Tap onto it. Then tap on any chats that you would like to unsend a text from both sides. Long tap onto the chat, then you will see unsend button. Tap onto it. Once you unsend this text, it will get removed from both sides, meaning that you or the other person may not be able to view it. If you would like to do the same for others as well, the process is same. Long tap onto it, then tap on unsend, then tap on OK. Just like so, this is how you can do it as well. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated.